Good morning, beautiful humans, and welcome back to the channel. Today's our last day in Maui, and we have actually this morning come out to Lahaina again, which is about a 40-minute drive from Kihei north, and we have gone to Down the Hatch again for breakfast because they have apparently one of the best breakfasts in Lahaina in Maui, so we're going to check that out and see if it's worth the hype. And then we are going to go home and finish packing. We're going to go to the airport, drop the rental car off, and we are going to head to Oahu.
Like a gazelle.
So that was nuts. They, at the Maui airport, when we land, they put our luggage on 3 different belts, which I found very odd. That's never happened to me before, so it was just very interesting. Now we are at budget, picking up our rental car. We did prepay, so if you are coming to Oahu, to Maui, to any of the islands, make sure as soon as you know your dates, book your rental car, because not only are prices skyrocketing, they're running out of cars at the moment, because during COVID they just sell a lot of them. So make sure that you book that as soon as you know your dates. Here at the Oahu airport, you take a shuttle from the terminal, and there's different shuttles for different rental car things, so make sure you are getting on the right one, and they will bring you to a landing spot where it has a couple, or just one, and then they'll give you all your information. You wait in a line or not, and then you go down the elevators or up the elevators, depending on which one you're at, and you have your car. So we actually got upgraded from a 2-door Jeep to a 4-door Jeep, which is nice because we don't have to pay for that. But again, please, I beg of you, once you know your dates, please book your rental car as soon as you know, because I don't want you guys to have to pay a ton of money, so make sure you do that. Alright, so we have freshened up a little bit at our hotel. We were staying at the Hilton Garden in Waikiki, basically on the beach, like right across the street. And we walked through the International Marketplace in the middle of Waikiki, which has a bunch of shops if you want to go shopping. It has ABC stores. It's got like Balenciaga and like really fancy things as well. So if you want to go shopping, that's a great place. But we walked over to Duke's, and it is a great view, beautiful night here. And we're going to get some dinner and then probably go back and probably sleep. And get ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to do a Waikiki walking tour and a downtown Honolulu walking tour, which I think will be really interesting. But I just want to show you Duke's, show you a little bit of the food, but I am doing an Oahu food tour vlog, which will go more in depth of everything that I get, and I'm looking forward to doing that. But I'm really hungry now, so let's eat. All right, so we have made it back to our room. We are going to freshen up, get ready for tomorrow, because like I mentioned, we're going to do some walking tours around the area and kind of explore the more touristy kind of stuff down on Waikiki before we go to Ko'olina and the west side of the island. And we are going to have a lot of fun tomorrow and eat some good food, which again, Oahu food tour is coming up. And thank you guys for watching. I know this was kind of a short video coming from Maui to Oahu, but I'm glad you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification so you get notified every single time I post a video, which is every Tuesday and Thursday. And until next time, guys, be beautiful humans. Bye.